Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have to head out for some personal work. So I got up a little early and I'm making some Paneer Cutlets for breakfast. This is the time when meal prep comes so handy. I'm still working like a zombie in the morning. Especially weekend mornings are really tough for me. I have shared my meal prep video with you guys. I hope you watched. If you didn't, then I will leave a link in the description box and on the eye above. This recipe is super simple but really delicious and nutritious at the same time. You can always replace paneer with some firm tofu, and you can also add half paneer or tofu, or you can also add some sweet potatoes. It's a super flexible cutlet recipe, and the best part about it, you do not have to do all these preparation right before, because you need to freeze it for half an hour, or you can freeze it overnight as well. So it's absolutely a make ahead recipe, which I totally love. The cutlets are ready. We'll make a very thin slurry with rice flour. You can always use corn flour, but I will recommend using rice flour instead of corn flour. You do not need to salt it or add anything. If you want, you can, but it's not necessary at all. Make sure the slurry is absolutely runny, just the way I'm showing. By the way, did you notice something? I changed my plant location, and I'm obsessed with it. Now let's fry the cutlets. I'm going to shallow fry this absolutely with minimal amount of oil.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
After our work was over, we were very hungry, so we stopped by Ikea. Not to shop, but this time just to eat. It was a quick lunch that we wanted to grab. And also I wanted to give you guys a tour of this place. This is Ikea Worli.
complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
While Anshuman and Ishi were still grabbing their lunch, I thought I'll give you the tour of this store. Right now, Ikea is in full Diwali festive mode. Lot of new pieces have been added to the collection. They are all very affordable and they look really great, at least to me.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
I have the small version of these cork and glass jars, but I am still contemplating to replace my plastic containers in the kitchen with this Corkin series.
Just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here
Any new parent watching this and who has an access to Ikea, do check over their kids section. You have ample amount of very clean, chic, candy decor
I'm loving this moment.
at a very affordable price, I feel so.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this
This was the office supply section and I was just so obsessed with every little thing, so I'm planning to just absorb all the ideas. This is their skaters collection. I hope I pronounced it correct.
just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 talking.
I hope you enjoyed this quick mini tour, and do give this video a thumbs up, and if you happen to try that paneer cutlet recipe, do tag me on Instagram at Simply Amazing Life by Kaushiki. So until next time, see you guys again. Bye bye.
Loving this moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment, can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know